How to turn off sleep mode in Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off sleep mode in Fortnite. To adjust or disable sleep mode in Fortnite, launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Access the settings by selecting the gear icon located in the top right corner. Now, navigate to the Game tab within the Settings menu. After that, scroll down to Sleep Mode and Energy Saving. Here, adjust the inactivity timer according to your preference. By increasing the inactivity timer, will delay the time before Fortnite enters sleep mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.